Hello, YouTube. This is another episode of the golf cart, or the Club Car DS. So, what we're gonna try to do is we're gonna try and change the oil on this sucker. Yep, this man right here. Yeah, just parked it yesterday. Yep, good old Club Car DS. Yeah. Carburetor's doing great. Everything's been working fine. There's a jumping spider on the seat for some reason, but that's not that big of a deal. Yeah. Remember from episode 1, how there's like absolutely like the blackest oil? Well, that oil is still in here. So yeah, we're gonna try to change it. Oh, okay, let's get this party started. Let's try to drain the oil. Just ran it for a bit. Let me go get a drain pan real quick. Ugh. This drain pan is absolutely nasty. Oh, stupid thing. There we go. Got it off. Which is great. I don't know where that washer is. I assume that it's still stuck on there. Wow, this isn't a very level surface, which isn't great. Oh well, we'll let that drain for a while. I'm gonna go put this drain plug up here. Surprisingly, there's no metal chunks in here, except for whatever this is, and that's just grass actually. Yeah, pretty dang black. It's a little cooled down now. I'm trying to search around for some sort of washer. Let's see. I don't feel anything. So this thing has an oil leak because the last time my dad changed the oil on this, he probably forgot the washer. And it still had a little viscosity in it. Not much though. Totally need to be changed. This feels nice actually. I like this. All right. Just got the oil in the filtre. And yeah, let's get to it, guys. Okay, fellas, just put some oil in. I'm gonna dry heat it without starting it, like actually. No drips or anything, thankfully. I'm gonna go get the key. That engine's ground for this thing, so put it on a rag right here. Hold on a sec, I gotta take off the gas so it's not getting any gas either. everything should be circulating now. Okay. I think that will do it. Okay, fellas. Very next day. Here's the golf cart. Yeah, I cleaned her up last time. You guys weren't here though. Full. Sweet, and that's completely full. That's a little bit of varnishy fuel, that's for sure. Let me get this really quick. Okay, so I got an aftermarket. Well, no, I'm just kidding. It's not aftermarket. It's original. I don't know if you guys can see that. I put a giant washer on there. Like, yeah, you guys can't see it that well. It's not supposed to be that big. Yeah, I can see it now. Yeah. So far, no oil leaks. And there's a little oil. Doesn't seem to be dripping or anything. The engine up, there's not much you missed. Put this service out here really quick. Now, let you guys hear it run. Feels and runs even better now. Doesn't even bog down. Battery's definitely bad though. Oh man, it doesn't even want to hold a charge. But yeah, I filled everything up with oil and let's give her a test drive. Thanks for watching, guys, as usual. Like, subscribe, all that jazz. I would like at least 2 views on this video. I put a lot of effort into my videos. The next video, I'm going to try to make things less cheesy. I'm going to make things watchable. And maybe you guys would like it. So, yeah. Oh, and this is not... There's going to be another episode on the golf cart. Don't you worry. See you guys in the next one.